Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look guys at the forex markets again. Well, today when I have trying to make the decision on what currency pair to choose for the daily update, I just have looked at the majors, and what I have seen is that on the higher time frame charts, on the monthly and weekly mostly, almost any pair doesn't show any clarity. Well, maybe this stands in relation with the situation in the United States economy that just a month ago that was the speeches concerning possible rate hiking in the middle of the 2015. Then data has become worse, and investors start to nervous about the possible decision once the Fed chairman said that probably we do not want to make any drastic steps in the policy in the United States. Later, the FOMC meeting shows that still they are thinking about the possible tightening, and that in different assessment of the current situation in the US economy appearing on the markets. One analysis said that improvement stands on the way, and this recent data and improvement leads us to gradual policy tightening, and nothing has been changed in the sentiment by Fed Reserve. So this a bit contradictional moments that now stand mostly in the long-term perspective. That's why we see such sort of the not quite clear action on the different currency pairs, and that's why in fact I do not see much difference with what currency pair to choose from. I mean for today update, because despite what currency pairs I could choose, mostly we still speak about the intraday charts, because when you do not have the clear picture on the high time frames and you have no solid direction for the medium, at least at medium term perspective, for example some clear patterns that you see on a monthly chart that could give you the direction for the some at least 2-3 consecutive weeks for trading, you just have no choice just to be focused on the short-term patterns and on the short-term setups that you have on the currency pair. So the euro is not an exclusion from this, and if you will read our analysis of the monthly time frame chart and the weekly time frame chart, currently the situation stands still unclear, because market within the 6 months stands in a range between 133-138 area, and to speak about the breakout either to the upside or to the downside, we need to see that market will exit from this range, but we do not see it yet. Speaking about the shorter term events, as you can see in the previous week we have seen this fast rebound, fast recovery on the euro currency. Well, although we have discussed and even traded this nicely looking 3-drive buy, but personally guys, I didn't suggest that market really could show this really fast action. Well, initially I thought that market probably could hit the minor target and then turn to some ABCD down or something of that sort, mostly because we still have the resistance on the higher time frame charts. We have the completed monthly butterfly, and market has not reached yet the level that could be could let us to speak that butterfly has worked out. The minimum retracement that market should show is the confluence around 135 area. If this will not happen, that will lead us to conclusion that probably butterfly has chances to fail, and automatically, simultaneously, as a consequence, we will come to conclusion that we should be ready for upward breakout if market will not show necessary retracement as reaction on completion of the butterfly. That's, you can see, the really big question stands right now on the higher time frame charts. But meantime, that's a bit questions that probably will be resolved not tomorrow, not even on the coming week. Right now, the major concern here is what this action is. Whether this is just a retracement on the confluence, on the completion of the free drive, and we still could count on this ABCD down, or this is the foundation, the starting point for the failure of the butterfly on the monthly time frame chart, on the weekly time frame chart. Currently, we can't answer on this question. You can see on Friday, market has formed this high wave doji. This could be either the sign that market just has tired from this action. It's some sort of this housing of the foundation that was become the reason for this action, or that is the indication just a technical issue that market has reached this deep fib resistance, 768 fib resistance, and stands very close to the daily overbought. As you can see, depending on what is that, this will lead us to different action, either to the downside or after some retracement that could lead to appearing of the butterfly here and turning to the upside. That's why, as I said, when you do not have any clarity on the higher time frame charts, you in fact have no choice just to focus and search for intraday charts on the shorter patterns that you could, but those that is more clear, and trade them, to be focused on some scalp, on some very short-term trading until the situation will not be resolved on the higher time frame charts. So if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we'll see that this recent up has finished by the confirmed double repulse sell pattern. So you can see market has shown the first up, close below the 3x3, close above, and close below again. That's the confirmed pattern. And in fact, it also has the foundation on the higher time frame charts. Market stands very close to the overbought. Market stands on the deep fib resistance, and maybe this pattern will work. At least this pattern is confirmed. This pattern is clear, and we understand where our stop should be, where our target, what the signs of the failure of this pattern. So this pattern that's very that we understand, and this pattern that is really relatively easy to deal with. That's why, since we do not have any choice in fact on the euro currency right now, because it's a bit risky to take any positions right now on the daily and weekly time frame charts, because in fact we have no clear direction, we have no clear patterns that let us to take the position. That's why our trading plan is relatively simple. In the coming we can suggest to be focused first on the intraday charts and trade the patterns that we will get on the intraday charts. The one necessary condition that they should be clear have to be clear for trading, and one of these patterns is this confirmed double repulse sell. I think that we could point some attention to this pattern and keep an eye on it in the beginning of the week. And then we will hope that market will clarify the situation on the higher time frame charts, so that it will become clearer for us, and we finally will be able to understand what is going on your currency, and understand what the direction is right now on the higher time frame charts. After that, we will be able to take more reasonable position with the direction that market will establish on the higher time frame charts.